Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by signing into your Google account and opening Google Drive. Make sure you use the account you want to share from. Next, upload files or a whole folder. Drag and drop speeds this up. Once uploaded, create a clear folder structure so recipients find documents easily. This also makes permission management simpler. You're doing this now to avoid scattered links later. After organizing, select the main folder to set permissions for all contained files at once, which saves time and prevents mistakes. With your folder selected, right-click and choose Share to control who can see or edit documents. Pick specific people by email when you need accountability, adding viewer, commenter, or editor roles depending on the task. Once done, you can instead use Get Link and choose Restricted or Anyone with Link. Use Anyone only when simplicity outweighs risk. If you need to enforce deadlines or prevent edits, select Viewer and disable Download, Print, and Copy in Advanced Settings. That helps protect your content. Now deliver the link or send invites directly from Drive. Include a short note explaining what you expect and any deadlines. Once distributed, audit permissions periodically through Drive's sharing settings, remove former collaborators and tighten roles if workflows change. If someone reports access errors, first confirm they signed in with the correct Google account. If that fails, temporarily set the link to Anyone with Link and then restore restrictions after access is confirmed. This two-step fix resolves most sharing hiccups.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.